Hey, I want to share some tips and just my own journey in opening a mental health practice. It has been a roller coaster, a learning curve, because there's just so many things that you learn along the way. Because, especially if you're not using any expert, any consultant to kind of help you through. And this, I'm saying, it depends on every person because depending on the capital, the money that you have to invest in, so that depends on each and every one, each person. As far as in my situation, I didn't have that much capital, so I chose to learn these things slowly by talking to people who own already businesses, watching YouTube, reading articles and some books here and there. And that's how I started my journey. But the reason I started this journey in opening up a mental health practice was due to a few reasons. I have extensive experience in medicine, having practiced family medicine in Africa for some time. Then I moved to the United States. I think my passion continued. Just the fact of helping clients, helping patients, work with them, making their day as much as wonderful as it can be. That was the reward I could feel. So branching into mental health was, I think, is a blessing, and I felt like that's where I, I have to be. So I also noticed that there's just a lot of opportunity, a gap in terms of mental health services access. I remember where I work is the wait time can be as long as 1 month or less or more, depending on the season. So all those things put in place, I think opening up a mental health practice will just contribute in bridging that gap and allowing certain clients to be seen sooner, depending on the places where you are. But this is my passion. I am really feel it's a call for me. So if you're out there, you're planning to open up a mental health practice, there's just a few things that you have to know. You have to have a business plan. You have to have a vision, goals that you would like to put in place and achieve. And along the way, you have to look at the challenges, the bottlenecks, the roadblocks that you may encounter, and sometimes can be so uh, difficult and discouraging. But I tell you, do not give up. Keep going, keep going. I'm gonna make a few videos about really the details, how you open up a practice without that much help, and go from there. Stay tuned. Thank you.